dear CA Inter students of November 2021 attempt. Of course, you will be attempting for the same in December 2021. Now that we here at JK Shah classes have completed your entire syllabus coaching, and that too well within the promised time limit, it is now on you to pick up, start studying and start revising the entire syllabus. As an additional help for all of you children, we are very happy to announce that we are coming up with revision lectures of all subjects of CA Inter, all your papers, in both languages, only English as well as Hindi plus English, right here on this YouTube channel of JK Shah classes, and that too completely free of cost for everyone. Students, these videos will be extremely beneficial for you and they will act as a base on which you can start your journey of revising the entire syllabus. So children, see you then right here on this YouTube channel of JK Shah classes. For more updates and notifications, kindly subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.